Do wop, dooby dooby wop, do wah do lang. Blue days, black nights, do wah do lang. Oh, hey, it's Tuesday of week 6 of COVID commuting, and I don't know about you, but I'm getting kind of lonely at times, sitting here, isolated a lot of time. But we've never in history have we ever had more options for how we can communicate with one another. I've got not just the phone, but I've got my smartphone, I've got my tablet, I've got my computer, I've got 5 different ways to make video calls. I can make phone calls. So there's really no excuse for not staying connected with people. And really what you need to do is call people. If you want to hear from somebody, call them. And it got me thinking, that some of these weird things you think of during isolation is how many songs can I think of that have a phone number in them? Well, first one that sprang to mind is one that from when I was a bit younger, and it goes something like this. Jenny, I've got your number. I need to make you mine. Jenny, don't change your number. Fill in the blank. 8675309. 8675309. Wouldn't you hate to have that phone number? And another one I thought of was a really oldie. Glenn Miller Orchestra had a song which was basically entirely instrumental. And at one point, right in the middle of the song, the whole orchestra would stop and everybody would yell out, Pennsylvania 65000. And I'm kind of showing my age here because A, I know that song, and B, I know that that's a phone number. So anyway, yeah, so that's another one I thought of. And then there's one from the 80s, a little more obscure, but you might remember this one, the B-52s. Remember the big beehive hairdos on the women in the band and that one? So, Tina went to the ladies' room, saw written on the wall, if you'd like a very nice time, just give this number a call. It was 6060842, and I'm waiting for you. Yeah, oh boy, just keep doing this all day. And, there's another one that's kind of unique to the area I live in, but it's a good example of catchy tunes and how things will stay in your head. I still remember the Prince Edward Island provincial tourism number 40 years later because of a jingle that was sung by Stompin' Tom Connors. They can never change this number because I know it off the top of my head. It's golf the courses, play the horses, nothing's out of reach. Fishing for the tuna or bathing at the beach. Make this call the best of all for Prince Edward Island fun. 800-565-7421. How many more of these can I think of today? Better yet, here's a game. Let's call some of them and see who's there. See if Jenny's actually at 8675309. Have a good one.